Hi there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Learn with Arc. I am Arc, and we will continue this video from the end of the last video in which we learned to place interior walls, floors, and doors. If you haven't watched the previous video, please check my link below. Oops, it seems I made a mistake. All doors in the building are placed from the ground level, which is below the plinth level. But we need the base of the door to be at the plinth level. Let's change it. Select all the door by filtering and change the level of the doors to plinth level. After that, it automatically changes the base level of the doors. Here we go. Now all of the doors are in the right place. Let's start our video by creating the ramp. To create ramp, you need to click on icon beside the stair in the Architecture tab. Firstly, let's duplicate the ramp and rename it. Then change the dimensions accordingly to our need. Here, I am going to change the maximum incline length of the ramp as we don't need the long ramp. I'm just going to create the ramp of width 4 feet from ground level to plinth level. That is on the distance of 1 foot 6 inch, so we don't need the longer ramp. In the parameter, shape indicates what type of ramp that you're going to do. If thick, it means that there's a thickness for ramp that is independent, meaning it's not sticking to the ground. But if you choose the solid, then click apply so your ramp is solid, so as if it's for example, a pure concrete. Now let's place the windows. You can either click the windows from the architecture panel or press WN in the keyboard. I will attach the link for the window I'm using. Hover the window in the desired wall to place it. Let's duplicate the window and change its parameters like width, height, sill level, head height, etc. The head height refers to the lintel level of the window. After we get the desired window, let's go to the plan level and create similar windows. We can change the parameters by duplicating the windows to create different sizes of windows. We need to load other windows from the Revit library if we want to put other set of windows. I will deal with only the windows in the detail window video. Now we have the building with internal walls, doors, windows, and ramp. In the next video, we will learn to add the stairs and the roof. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.